Hey folks, it's Simon here. I've been deep diving into trading strategies for over 7 years now. Today's video is worth seeing for the beginners. It's all about unleashing the power of the fractal indicator. I'm gonna show you how it works with other indicators and how to read the charts to find the best entry points for your trades. You are in for a super valuable video. You might be wondering, trading is not that super complex and kind of confusing? What's in it for me? I had the same question 7 years ago, but I learned that it could set me free and bring me serious cash. After moving from a small apartment to a big house, getting myself a Richard Mille watch and driving my own Lamborghini, all my doubts quickly vanished. Now I'm a trading expert who runs a Telegram channel with over 13,000 subscribers. I help them grow their trading skills, teach how to set up trading platforms properly and find those perfect moments to enter trades. And guess what? I publish real-time trading signals every day. That means anyone can copy my trades. This is a great chance to trade with me and start getting results in just a few days. Stop hesitating. Click the link in the description and the pinned message now. Before we dive into our tutorial on trading with the fractal indicator, we need to set up our platform a bit. You'll see I've set the investment amount to 100, but you can choose any amount, even just one. The trade duration is 1 minute and the candlestick time frame is 30 seconds. Now I'm picking 3 currency pairs with the highest percentages. Also selecting stocks like Apple and American Express based on their top percentages. All set. Let's take a look at the charts I'll be working with today. American Express, got it. Next up, Apple. Aussie and New Zealand dollar. Oh, I like this one. Let's keep it in mind. The Aussie and franc. Well, Australian and Canadian too. Now back to Aussie and New Zealand dollar. I'm adding the main fractal indicator. Check it out. Little dots just popped up above the candle. See them? It's time to get trading. Let's go. Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar. I'm going short here. I'll show you why I made this decision. Basically, the fractal indicator spots the local price lows and highs, which are critical for predicting price reversals. If we draw a support level that the price has previously bounced from, and I show you how the big price levels are dropping, you'll see why I think the chart is heading downward right now. Given my entry point, I believe I made a smart call. We even got a bounce off the support level, but with just a 1 minute trade time frame, the price won't hit my level. Fantastic. First reward, and now the deposit amount is 192. Moving on. American Express. I'm keeping the investment amount at 100. I'm adding another indicator, the RSI. Okay, pressing higher. Now I'll explain why I invested this way. I'm drawing a resistance line. Now watch how the chart has been moving. First down, then up. I'm also adding a line that indicates a possible local maximum for this period, but I expect a dip to come later, likely from this level. Also, the RSI is moving towards 70 but has not hit it yet, so I expect the upward trend might continue a bit longer. The RSI is a tool that helps us see how strong a trend is and whether it might change soon. A reading of 70 signals strong buy activity, pointing to an overbought condition. A 30 indicates strong selling, marking an oversold condition. All right. Looks like American Express just sent me a bonus check. Sweet, another 192 added to my deposit. And I'm sure this is one of the most insightful trading videos you've ever watched. You can find tons of awesome strategies and trading tips on my Telegram channel. Posting trade analysis daily not only sharpens my skills, but also helps all the trading beginners out there. Big thanks everyone who asks about trading and those who trust me enough to join my live sessions. You're doubling your savings and I'm getting tons of good vibes from your thanks and stories. And for anyone wanting to trade along with us and get clear, straightforward guidance for entry points, welcome to my Telegram. Check the link in the video description and the first pinned comment. Alright, the situation with Apple is iffy. I'll pass on that. Same goes for the Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar due to the same reasons. Australian dollar and Swiss franc. Now this pair is showing some clear moves. I'm raising my investment to 200. Also, I'm adding the stochastic oscillator and going short. The stochastic indicator basically shows where the current price stands in comparison to its range over a specific past period, which makes it great for detecting changes in market mood or the balance of power between bulls and bears. Easy to spot a resistance level here. You can see we had a peak where the price bounced back. Look where the chart was before. The stochastic readings are out of the oversold zone, signaling the buyers are losing steam and likely the price will keep dropping. Very good, let's move on. Aussie and Canadian dollar also raised out, so I'm moving to American Express. Oh man, this is straight out of a textbook. I'm going long. Now if you check out the RSI, the numbers are crossing above the 30. And if you follow the chart's trajectory, you can see the price has bounced off the support level before. This means we are looking at a trend reversal and the price is likely to keep climbing. Nailed it! Another great trade. The key is to correctly identify the trend. And the final trade. Apple's situation still remains uncertain. Then Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar. Good moment to enter. I'm investing 300. Hitting higher. Look, the chart clearly shows a desire to break through the resistance level. RSI is above the 50, meaning buyers still have strength. The chart itself is moving in a complex wave-like pattern with an upward trend. It's clear this will continue. Our strategy has crushed it. I've also walked you through how to spot those entry points and work the indicators like a pro. If you have any questions, please send me a message on Telegram. You'll find the link right in the description. I'm always there to help out the newcomers and answer their questions. Actually, the best way for beginners to trade is by joining my live online trading sessions. You can see everything right on my Telegram channel. Where and when I jump into the trades, how I predict the moves on the chart. Just follow my lead and you can snag the same results. That's exactly what 13,000 of my subscribers are already doing. They're just copying my trades. We trade together every day and pulling over 800 per session. Some folks have moved to new apartments, helped out their families, or finally made some long-time dreams come true. Most of them share their successes with me, and it's always super inspiring. Want to trade with me and score the same results? Just 2 easy steps. Subscribe to my Telegram channel using the link in the description and send me a direct message. Hurry and join us. Copy my moves and my trades to get results similar to mine. Be sure to message me. That's all for now. See ya.